मैंने अपना रूम इतना कंफर्टेबल बना दिया that I don't feel like doing anything here. We have so many assignments and group projects suddenly. Outfit every day is the same only. It's just a rotation of the same thing. So we all went to class and found out that class was cancelled and the office forgot to inform us. And the next class is also postponed. So now we have time till 11:30. One class and then lunch. And then uske baad, the rest of the classes are after lunch. I really need to clean my room. It's a mess. See, this is the problem. If I sit in my room, I have to clean my room because it's disgusting. I can't sit here. This is why I should just permanently sit in the library. We were studying in the library for a while. Now I'm back room में. Honestly, I've realized मैं room में productive हो ही नहीं सकती हूँ. Like I don't think it is literally possible. Cozy and comfortable बनाने में मैंने अपना room इतना comfortable बना दिया that I don't feel like doing anything here other than sleeping and doing time pass. Like if I'm here, where is the Grey's Anatomy? Where is the chatpata khana? Anyways, we have one last class of the day. This day has been so long. It feels like it's not ending only. Again, can't imagine that ये 9 to 8 classes होते थे Sem 1 and 2 में. Crazy. Could never do it again. मैं मतलब भाग जाऊँगी यहाँ से. And it's a finance class. You know what that means? एक कान से अंदर दूसरे कान से God knows where. Finance and me are not friends. Also, I've submitted my leave for going home, so I should get it tomorrow. Hopefully कोई issue ना हो. I keep forgetting that I'm going home on Friday and आज birthday. I'm going home this week. Stop it. जब मुझे याद आता है फिर मैं 5 मिनट के लिए excited हो जाती हूँ फिर मैं फिर से भूल जाती हूँ. Also lots is going on. The truth, the reality of being in B school is always feeling like you're falling behind. Always feeling like मैं enough नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैंने मेरा CV अच्छा नहीं है. I should do more. I should be accomplishing more. It always feels like that and everybody feels like that. Even the people who have crazy CVs. Take them. I can't believe that like this time next year, this undergraduate program will be over. And life will be completely different this time next year. Like completely different. Hopefully in all good ways, touch wood. Please. The whole point of me sharing my journey is because I want to take you guys through everything. Let's go to class. If there is a single human being outside, they can see what I'm doing right now because मैं ground floor पे रहती हूँ और एक windows से सब कुछ दिखता है रात को. Anyways, who cares? Me and my friends were sitting and working on a case comp for like an hour plus. Like we were just sitting there and brainstorming and I loved, like it was so fun. And we were just working on this very cool idea and for a very cool case comp. But if this works out, like please can it work out because हम लोग ने इतनी मेहनत डाली है इसमें. This is the first time I'm actually like caring about a case comp because normally I don't. But this is just incredibly interesting. And ये मैंने order किया है a lip combo because recently I realized that I just don't have a lip combo and I feel like I really should because I feel like a statement lip combo like that can elevate your makeup look बहुत ज़्यादा and then you don't need anything else. तो मैंने बहुत ही randomly एक lip gloss and lipstick order किया and I will link it if you guys want it. Obviously it's not sponsored or anything. This is the Mars Candylicious lip gloss and this is the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Nude Spell and the lip gloss is in the shade Magic Pop. Okay, I was so convinced कि मुझे कोई बाहर से देख सकता है. So now you're on my टंगा हुआ mirror. अगर ये गिर गया तो मेरा phone पिक गया और मेरा mirror पिक गया. Anyways, so this is a very very exciting case competition. I don't know how I'll do this because I've signed up for 2 case competitions at the same time, and this time I can't afford to spend time on a case competition and not actually do it well, because we don't have any time, because midsems are rahe hain, and then we're all preparing for CAT and everything. There's just no time in life. And also I have to find my internship for the summer. Putting my wish card lip balm very good. This is headed somewhere. It's a really nice color. Candylicious by, I don't know what my thoughts on the color are. It's not bad. Uncomfortably close up because I want to show you how it looks. This is in very yellow lighting. It's quite pretty actually. It's quite pretty. Oh my god, there's a little puppy outside my room. Guys, there's a cutie little puppy outside my room. It's going over me. Hello. Today, such a beautiful day. It feels like such a beautiful day. No, I didn't go to the first class because... Oh my god, the puppy's here. Hello. Oh my god. Hello. Come. Please, I want to steal him. Please, let us steal him. Please. Come. I want to keep him. Okay, idhar. Okay, I'll just give it to you. Okay? Bye. Anyways, so we have so many assignments and group projects suddenly, like before our midsems, which is just pissing me off so much, because then we'll have end sem ke time pe group project, abhi we have group projects. I'm done with group projects. It has taken everything out of me. I don't hate them. Sometimes they're a lot of fun, group projects, but mostly a pain. मुझे नहीं करना किसी के साथ. मुझे collaboration, teamwork नहीं करना. I'm good at it. I have that skill because I've done it for so long, but I simply don't want to anymore. I have this one assignment which I should probably get to right now before my class, and I'll go for lunch at like 12:45, and then we have class at 1:45. I'm back for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna change thoda sa, and we're gonna go back to the library. Let's change. I'll just change my pants. Let's go. So excited to study in the library, but my nose is literally so blocked that I can't breathe in the library. So I'm gonna go and study in my room. Also, I've ordered food, and this is not a good news because I'm ordering food. This is my khud ko khush karne wala order, because my trip home has been cancelled. I regret to say that. I think this is because in the previous video I said I was thinking of going home. Maybe Nazar is real. Maybe I was wrong. I should not believe that. But my trip is cancelled. I don't know. I might still be going home. I don't know. Let's see. I'm sad. I'm sick. So I've ordered food. And we'll go be productive in our room, where I can go to the washroom every 5 seconds to blow my nose because मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही. This is the thing about being sick in college, where you are so far away from home. There is nobody to take care of you. And this is the बहुत minor sick. You know, I've fallen way worse sick, and people have had to get full operations here because something has happened, injury, etc. So shit happens, but adulting, this is the life. Adulting, this is nothing to dance about. There are 5 men sleeping outside my window. आई नो उन्हें ब्रेक में कहीं जाना है, मेरे कमरे के बाहर ही क्यों? Hello. I have not vlogged much today because I've just been so like down in the dumps. I've just not felt like doing anything at all, and I was literally just like lying in my bed contemplating कि अभी अगर मैं सो जाऊँ at 9 p.m. is that okay? When have I ever slept at 9 p.m. since after joining this college? We're gonna be productive because वैसे भी घर जाके what productivity is going to happen? I look also so ratchet because I'm just so utterly exhausted. I'm not even exhausted. I'm just like so mentally drained. You know, like physically ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. इतने classes भी नहीं थे today. It's been pretty chill, and I slept also well last night. But then I just feel so done. But I had to do some homework. We have an assignment that we have to submit before 23rd, which is parso. So I should do it today because there is no way that I will go home and actually remember कि मेरा कोई assignment था, फिर ये मिस हो जाएगा. I also need to do my laundry because I have like, it's like मेरा laundry bag पूरा भरा हुआ है and उसके ऊपर मेरा laundry bag से भी लंबा एक और pile है. Whenever I'm having a bad day and whenever I'm like absolutely like मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, like I cannot get out of bed, I always pick up like some easy task like laundry and like room saaf karna, which I combine with my favorite activity, which is listening to music. So I'm going to put my earphones in and मैं सुनूंगी Karan Aujla, my man Karan Aujla. I'm going today and I still don't have my leave approved. Let's go get it. I hate her.
No, she thinks I hate her.
She thinks I hate her. She does.
Always. After 2 years.